Chapter 1: Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. The Radja Oloan group. This group, CP13, is also dispersed though to a somewhat lesser degree. The ancestor, si Radja Oloan, was originally married to a Bogulimbong and continued to live in the neighborhood of his father-in-law. The firstborn son, Baho, saw the light of day at Panguran, where the marga that sprang from him. Naibaho forms a territory of its sound within the larger territory of the BOC Toluhai. From there, dispersals from this marga went to the country, the marga Bako. A second son, born of the same mother as the first and called Sigodang Ulu, became the censor of the marga Sihotang in the territory the same name on the shore of Lake Toba too. There it split into branches. Some were to the 13 the Paragan territory, and Tukaro, and there formed new marga. The younger branches went to Apagbago Step A, the Sirotang Hasugian territory, and parts of them went to the Derikaro areas as well. The very youngest marga of this group came into being in the Bakara territory, where Radja Oloan has established himself with a second wife, Bakupa Saribu. His descendants have partly remained there. The marga Bakara and Sinambela are almost in their entirety, but some, principally from the marga Simanulang, went to the nearby western part of Humbang and to Apagbaros, where they live in their own territories. Sihite has occupied its sound territory in Humbang, also forms part of the small Siwaduopu Confederacy in the Silindung Valley near Tarutong. A few small parts of this group are to be found in the vicinity of Porsia Forsi under the name Dairi.